Welcome. In front of me is DELL Latitude 3520, and in this video I'm going to show you how to disable battery saver on this laptop. To do it, right-click the battery icon on the status bar and then select Power and Sleep Settings. Then scroll down to Energy Saver option, expand this tab, and to disable Energy Saver manually, switch this toggle to the left, and to disable it fully, expand this list and select Never. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.